Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is November 28th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Let me show you guys something right quick about me and my little videos and things that I say. Just right quick. Last week, the 22nd. I don't know why I'll put the 23rd on that. 4 videos. Reversal continued to drop. Reversal time. Will this demand area reverse the market? Bullish sign on the daily. So 3 out of 4, I was saying reversal, and that's what we got. Just want to give you that. 75%. I was 75% sure it was going to reverse. Yeah, just messing with you. But let's go ahead and go down to this market review on this the Dow 30, and let me resize this. And on the Dow, on the quarterly chart, we see green. The Dow is really strong, kind of compared to the other indexes and all, but it's only 30 stocks. And all, it is above its R1 and all. It's the question is, will it reach an R2 on these yearly pivots and all? It is strong. It is going up, and I do expect us to finish up here at a high. I do not expect the crazy drop that we get sometimes at the end of the year. I just do not expect that this year and all. But let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart here on the Dow ended up green and above a quarterly R1. This is your quarterly R1 right here. We ended up green. We still got, another month in this quarter and all. But that's what I see and all. We are still above the 9-10 moving average, so technically we are still bullish and all. But this is this tail here on this candle letting us know this market is still very strong, even though we saw some red earlier this month. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart. On this weekly chart, let me zoom in here. And this is where I was saying last week about the Dow. The Dow didn't come nowhere near this low that I said we could probably come to. It was quite a bit above. So again, I definitely was expecting a bullish push on this thing right here. And this market that had already showed signs that it had hit the demand. So come next week, we will be opening above pivot. And also I expect us to break these highs, this high. And if that's all-time highs, let me just kind of like zoom out a little bit where we can see that. Boom, boom, boom. That is all-time highs up there. So I kind of expect us to be making all-time highs come next week. That's what I see. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and see what we see there. Boom. On this daily chart, boom, boom, boom. As you can see, this past week, I think on one of the videos, somewhere I did mention that on the daily chart, we did have this bullish harami. And we didn't get confirmation right away, but then the second day we did get confirmation, and this thing just continued to run on throughout the holiday here, this holiday week. And that's what I kind of expect. Guys, if you want to do some extra work or you want to look into how we kind of study the market, go look at holiday weeks and see how the market reacts. It's not that many holiday weeks to look at, U.S. holiday weeks and all. So that would be kind of like this Thanksgiving, and you got Christmas coming up and just see what you see with those two and the next time this comes around, if you're going to be a long-term type trader and try to be in this game for a while, kind of have an expectation of what could happen, and then based on you see if your charts confirm what you expect. And that's all I really want to share at this time. That's it was a great week, and I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving, those of you in the U.S. who celebrate Thanksgiving, and I will chat with you guys next week. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.